In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension, which is called CrystalBlocker. CrystalBlocker is a special extension that was designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. Currently, this pop-up CrystalBlocker.com may attack Germany, Austria, and other German-speaking countries. The developers of this extension and service indicate that you'll be able to block advertisements while surfing the web online, but this particular extension actually operates as adware. Instead of blocking ads, it may display its own advertisements not associated with the sites that you visit. So I have installed this extension on my test computer simply for the demonstration purposes, in order to let you know how to get rid of it after it was mistakenly installed. So in other words, this particular extension operates as adware, and the ads and sponsored links that are displayed by it are not really genuine. So you should urgently remove it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. Finally, I recommend that you also research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may obtain its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete any other possible malware from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.